Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to the Land of Smiles. Today, we are driving from Ban Chon to Ban Tad Udon Thani Province in Thailand. Have you ever driven in Thailand? Have you ever driven when it is raining? Driving in Thailand is not for the faint at heart. I have a Thai driver's license and been driving in Thailand a number of years now. I admit, driving in Thailand was intimidating at first, but with practice I believe I finally have the hang of it. In my videos I attempt to show you how the average Thai lives and what it is like to live in rural Thailand. If you're interested in seeing unique videos about life in Thailand, please be sure to click the notification button and be sure to follow, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.